Hi everyone, welcome back to the G.life. So I'm really excited for today's video because I've been wanting to film a morning routine for the longest time and I finally got to it. So the first thing I do every morning is to go straight to the kitchen. Once I wake up, I get Michael's lunch from the refrigerator and put everything inside his bag, and then I get his coffee started. Many of you guys know I'm starting to drink lemon water in the morning, and it's just been helping to hydrate me a lot more and to keep me fuller a lot longer. So once all of his lunch is ready and I drank my water, I head over to the living room, and then Michael ends up leaving around 5:30 or so in the morning, and I just say bye to him, give him a kiss, and say a little prayer for him every single night, every single morning. And because I'm a crazy wife, once he leaves, I go and creep at him from the window to make sure he gets to his car safely because I'm such a weirdo. I swear somebody's gonna kidnap him one day. So once he leaves, I head back to our bedroom and I get on my laptop. Usually this is the time when I would work on editing any videos that I have that I need to upload or anything like that, like anything YouTube related. It's when I would do it in the morning. This morning I'm just watching some YouTube videos, catching up on some videos that I've missed, and I'm also working on my meal plan for the next 2 weeks. I like to plan 2 weeks in advance, and I do this obviously once every 2 weeks. So once I was done, I just laid back down and I thought I was gonna fall asleep, but I actually didn't, so yay me. And then eventually when I actually do get up, I just get up and start making the bed, cleaning up the bedroom a little bit. For some reason, we always leave clothes on the floor or something on the floor that just, obviously doesn't belong there. So I always end up cleaning it up the next morning. Once the room is cleaned up, I just put some clothes on that makes me look a little bit more presentable. And then I head over to the restroom. In the restroom, I obviously brush my teeth and I kind of start fixing my hair, just like I said, make myself look a little bit more presentable. So it's about 7:15 or so and Michael Jr. is still not awake, so I'm just doing some things around the house. I opened the blinds in the dining room just to bring some more light into the house, and then I also head over to our living room and I clean up a little bit. We don't have a big mess because it's really only 3 of us in the house, but I try to clean up what mess we do have. Usually I do try to clean up Michael's play plan every night, but for some reason I've been forgetting every single night, so I just do it in the morning. So yeah, I just clean up the living room a little bit, and then I had some laundry left over from the previous day, and that usually happens every single day. And then I just fold it and I eventually put it away during the day. So Michael is awake now, so I head over to his room and get him out of his crib, and he is just so excited for some reason. He just wants to get up and start moving around, and he's actually really excited. You guys can see he has some sandals on in his hands. He actually wants to put them on and go outside. He's so crazy. He just wants to go outside all the time, but I told him I couldn't because it was too early and it was kind of cold. So yeah, Plus he had just woken up. Anyways, I sit in my chair and we play, we talk, I read him books, and then I also breastfeed him. I'm still breastfeeding him. He's almost 18 months old, and I'm finally starting to wean him off little by little, but it's happening. I'm not gonna lie, once I'm completely done, I'm really gonna miss this time I get to spend with him. So once I changed his diaper, we head over to the bathroom and I brush his teeth. I didn't realize how when I'm brushing his teeth, it totally looks like I'm manhandling him, but this is the only way I get him to actually open his mouth for me to brush his teeth. It's so hard to brush his teeth, guys. This boy knows what to do when he sees a camera. Look at how cute he is. So I always give him some Cheerios in the morning, and while he's eating those Cheerios, I just put all the dishes away from the previous day that I washed, and then I get his breakfast started. I always try to meal prep some breakfast just because I hate having to think about the food that we need to eat. I just like to have it prepared. So he's actually eating some banana and egg pancakes, and then I'm giving him some blackberries on the side. This is literally his favorite breakfast ever. And I also like to prepare his milk for the day. Again, these are things that I just don't want to think about all day, so I like to get them ready beforehand. So once Michael's finished with his breakfast, I put him in his playpen so he can play for a little bit while I eat my banana and drink a little bit of my coffee. Once I finish my breakfast, we head back to the kitchen and I just clean up from the breakfast we had. So I clean up his high chair and I just clean up the countertops just to make it look a little nicer and not so messy. Michael is currently trying to figure out how to lock things, and he's currently working on the high chair and he's been loving it. He gets so excited when he gets them locked. He comes and gives me a high five every single time. So after this, I just head back to whatever room I need to put laundry away for this morning. It was Michael's clothes, so I just went back to his bedroom and I put all of his clothes away. And this is Lilypad, our cat. She's 4 years old now and she loves hanging out in Michael's closet and on top of all of his clothes, his baby clothes. Anyways, so I always try to do at least one load of laundry a day. For this particular day, I actually didn't have any laundry, which is such a miracle, but I did have some clothes that needed to be ironed, so I put them in the washing machine for the wrinkle away, and it just takes away all the wrinkles because I absolutely hate ironing. So we always try to go for a walk to the park or around our neighborhood. This particular day, we headed over to the park and it was actually really exciting because I ended up finding a turtle, guys. I found a turtle. What the heck? I actually had no idea that our park had turtles and I thought I was saving it. Turns out that they actually belong in the park, so I had to return it. Once we're done with our walk, we usually head over to the playground, and it's kind of like Michael's little reward for being so good during our walk. And he just plays around in the sand and in the swings and in the plays that he loves going to the park. He absolutely loves it. So once we get back home, I make sure to drink some water since it's been getting really warm lately. I need to hydrate myself. And then I get my second cup of coffee ready. I got these cold brew jugs from Costco. Michael's gonna have a little morning snack. He's so like cute. When I tell him we're gonna have a snack, he goes and sits down in the living room. This morning he's having some blackberries and just like a little granola bar. Anyone else gets super excited when they get an Amazon delivery? I know I do. I love Amazon deliveries. So by this time my load is done and I'm just putting everything in its hanger so I can put them away in the closet. Michael loves playing with my dryer balls. He just like looks for them. He's like, ball, ball, ball. So by this time it's actually nap time. So I go back into Michael's bedroom and we sit together. We read books, sing songs, and I tell him good night or good nap time. While he takes a nap, I sometimes am able to get my makeup done and just get ready for the day. On this day, I think I just sat down and watched TV because I was just, for some reason, really exhausted. So that's basically what I did this morning. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love our morning routines. I think our mornings are so special just between me and Michael. But anyways, I want to film a night routine, so let me know if you guys would be interested in that. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye everyone. So on the day you guys are watching this, it's actually Mother's Day. So I just wanted to say a happy Mother's Day to all you moms that are out there watching my videos. You guys are so amazing, and I honestly never knew how an amazing feeling it is to be a mom. This is my second Mother's Day, and I would not trade any of our bad days for anything. Like, I don't know, it's just so amazing being a mom, and you guys are all doing such a great job, or you're doing the best you can, and that is way more than enough. So happy Mother's Day, guys.